This cable tester kit brings together a compact network tester, a combination coax tool, and pass-through connectors, making it a practical starter set for serious data work. The handheld tester clearly checks common twisted pair standards with RJ45 terminations and presents pin mapping on a backlit display that is easy to read in dim spaces like wiring closets. It quickly flags wiring problems such as opens, shorts, miswires, split pairs, and crossovers, so you can diagnose flaky runs without dragging out heavier bench gear. The coax and data crimping tool feels solid in the hand and combines cutting, stripping, and crimping in one body, which cuts down on the number of tools you need to carry. Using the dedicated pass-through modular plugs speeds up terminations because you can visually confirm conductor order before crimping, which reduces rework on patch cables. Overall, the kit reflects Klein Tools' long-standing focus on durable, field-ready tools that hold up well under daily use by network and low-voltage technicians.